Your music is ready, but something's missing. The perfect album cover. But creating one? That can feel like a mountain to climb. Meet Album Cover AI, your shortcut to designing stunning covers from audio, text, or even existing covers. Let's explore and see how it works. Once you're in the dashboard, select the Audio to Cover option. Upload your song's audio file.
Neon lights about to explode. We were young, no one told us so. Dancing on the edge of...
After uploading, add the song title and choose its genre to match the vibe of your music. Select a cover style from the extensive library. Once you're done with your settings, click Generate Cover. And just like that, the tool creates 2 unique album covers based on your song. You can preview each one and download your favorite. Let's move on to the next feature. Now it's time to explore text to cover. Start by entering your song's title. Add the genre of your song. Describe the vision for your album cover in the text box. Pick a style that aligns with your vision. Finally, hit Generate Cover and watch the tool bring your description to life. The result? A beautiful, customized album cover that perfectly matches your text description. Our final feature is Cover to Cover, ideal for remixing existing designs. Start by uploading an image. This could be a draft or even a cover generated by this tool. Add the song title and any extra details to refine the design. Click Generate Cover, and there you have it. A refreshed and stunning new cover, ready to represent your music. With Album Cover AI, you can generate professional quality album covers from audio, text, or even existing designs. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.